Service in Fort Worth has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Milam County and central Texas, southeastern Bell County and central Texas, until 7:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located over Granger, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard, damaging tornado. Source, radar confirmed tornado. Impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. The tornado will be near Bartlett around 6:35 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Holland around 6:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Rogers around 6:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Buckholz. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. The current time is 6:28 p.m. Central Daylight